Tomorrow evening, the sky over Spain goes dark, an hour before sunset. It's the first total solar eclipse mainland Europe has seen since 1999. A total eclipse happens when the moon slots perfectly between us and the sun. And right now, the moon is near its closest point to Earth, so it looks bigger than usual. But this one is strange. Most eclipse shadows race west to east. This one arcs up and over the North Pole, then dives south. It begins on Russia's Taimyr Peninsula at 11:59 at night, because above the Arctic Circle in August, the sun barely sets at all. The shadow drops onto eastern Greenland, then western Iceland, Reykjavik included. Iceland gets the show high in the sky, then it's out over the open Atlantic. Out over the water southwest of Iceland, the eclipse hits its peak, 2 minutes and 18 seconds of totality, a shadow 294 kilometers wide. Then Spain. And here's what makes this one unforgettable. Totality arrives around 8:30 in the evening, with the sun just a few degrees above the horizon. A Coruña, Oviedo, León, Bilbao, Zaragoza, Valencia, Palma. Nearly 4,000 Spanish towns sit inside the path. León gets about 1:45. Madrid and Barcelona? Both just outside it. Millions of people will watch a deep partial eclipse while totality passes a short drive up the road. That low sun is the catch. One hill, one building, one line of trees to the west, and you see nothing at all. Location decides everything. Spain hasn't seen this since 1905. 121 years. Hotels along the path sold out months ago, and the roads will be packed. Across the UK and Ireland, over 90% of the sun vanishes. Northern North America gets a partial. India and most of Asia miss it entirely, so stream it live. Never look without ISO 12312 certified glasses. The only exception is the brief tote itself, and only inside the path. Sunglasses will not protect you. And that same night, the Perseid meteor shower peaks under a new moon. It's the first time this century both have landed together. Missing it? Spain gets another one in August 2027. After that, not until 2053. Subscribe for more such explainer videos in 2 minutes.